In this video, I will show you how to perform inverting amplifier using op-amp circuit. In this circuit, it consists of an op-amp IC, that is 741, and resistor R1 is connected to pin number 2 and feedback resistor is connected between pin number 2 and pin number 6. Once we apply the input voltage and then the amplified output voltage is obtained at pin number 6. This is inverting amplifier. Its output voltage formula is given as minus of RF divided by R1 into V1. Here the RF is 10 kilo ohm and R1 is 1 kilo ohm. Therefore the gain is 10. 10 into input voltage is minus 10 into Vi. That means here we can observe that whenever we give input as 1 volt, then we obtain the output voltage as 10 volt with its 180 degree phase shift. Now let's see how this experiment can be conducted on the breadboard. On this breadboard, we can observe that the IC 741 is connected, resistor R1 is connected to pin number 2 and resistor RF, which is of 10 kilo ohm, is connected between pin number 2 and pin number 6. And we have to apply the DC voltage with the help of this op-amp power supply. Here it is having 3 terminals, that is plus 15, ground and minus 15. Plus 15 is connected to pin number 7 of op-amp. Minus 15 is connected to pin number 4 of op-amp. And the ground is connected to the ground of this circuit. Now we will apply the input frequency and voltage with the help of the function generator. Set the waveform as a sine wave and set frequency as a 1 kilohertz. Here it is 1.1 kilohertz, and set the input voltage as 1 volt. This waveform can be also observed in the CRO. Here in the CRO, we can see that the input voltage here is 1 volt. The input is connected to channel 1 of the CRO. 1 division into 1 is 1 volt and frequency is of 1 kilohertz. Now we will check its output. Here in the circuit diagram, the channel 2 of CRO is connected to pin number 6. At pin number 6, we get amplified version of the input. Now we will observe its output. Here in CRO, we can see that the amplified waveform at the output pin. This is 1 volt and at the output we are almost getting the 10 volt. It is having 2 division into this phi, that is of 10 volt. That means whenever we apply input as a 1 volt, at output we are getting 10 volt with 180 degree phase shift. In order to observe the 180 degree phase shift, we have to superimpose this signal or bring one signal over another. Just move on it. Here we can see that the smaller one is the input, the bigger one is the output. Here the both input as well as output is 180 degree out of phase. In this way, we conduct inverting amplifier using op-amp.